What's up guys, it's Lightning Sushi here, and today I'm gonna be making my first command block tutorial on how to make trails, like the one I have right under me, and I'm gonna show you how. So quick stuff. First of all, you have to get a command block, obviously. So give yourself a command block, just like so. I'm pretty sure all of you will know how to do this. And here you go. You got in your command block. Now, what you want to do is put it down, and then I'm gonna say execute, because this executes the command on you, and then at yourself, and then type in run, and then you say whatever you want. So for this one, to make a trail, you want to type in particle, and then pick whatever particle you want. Okay, so I'm gonna say, I don't know, let's do dragon breath, because that looks cool. Actually, dripping lava, yeah. Anyways, and then you say these little signs. I'm not sure what this is on your keyboard, but it's saying wherever you are right now, like your area is what it's saying. 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't know what those do. I'm pretty sure that's like how far your particles go. So like if you said 1, then particles will go from the block you're standing all the way onto the block in front. So that would be like those 3 numbers. Then you put another 0, and this is how many, like, this is how fast your particles are. This is like how berserk they are and how like all over the place. Now this one is just how many particles spawn. This is probably the thing that crashes my game the most. If I put that up to like 1000 or something. And you want to press force, because when you have force, then it comes up no matter what, your particle settings or anything. So if I get rid of this one, because that's the flame particle, and then I put in a redstone, oh sorry, you put it in repeat, so then it keeps on going, and then you place it, and then you have your trail. I'll leave a command on the description, just so, because yeah, and then you can change up things, change up the particle you want and all that. So that's it for today's tutorial. See you next time. Bye.